In this video, we're going to show you how to automatically date your notes in Obsidian. Adding dates to your notes is a simple but powerful way to keep your vault organized. Dates can help you track when notes were created, monitor project progress, manage journals, and quickly find information later. However, manually entering the date every time you create a note can become repetitive, especially if you create multiple notes throughout the day. The good news is that Obsidian provides built-in tools and template features that can automatically insert dates whenever new notes are created. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to set up automatic dates and streamline your note-taking workflow. So, let's get started. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Click the Settings icon in the lower left corner of the application. Next, navigate to Core Plugins and make sure the Templates plugin is enabled. If the plugin is not enabled, simply turn it on. Now create a folder where your templates will be stored. Inside that folder, create a new note that will serve as your template. In the template, add a date placeholder using the date format supported by the Templates plugin. You can place the date at the top of the note, within Note Properties, or anywhere that fits your workflow. Once you have added the date placeholder, save the template. Next, return to Settings and open the Templates settings. Set the template folder location to the folder you created earlier. Now create a new note or open an existing one. Open the Command palette and select Insert Template. Choose the template containing the date placeholder. Obsidian will automatically replace the placeholder with the current date. You can repeat this process whenever you create a new note. You can also create multiple templates with different date formats for journals, projects, meeting notes, or research documents. This helps ensure that all your notes follow a consistent structure. In most situations, using templates is the easiest way to automate dates in Obsidian. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, enable the Templates plugin. Second, create a template that contains a date placeholder. Third, configure your template folder location, and finally, insert the template to automatically generate the current date in your notes. Remember that automatically adding dates can improve organization and make information easier to track over time. This is especially useful for users who maintain journals, project logs, meeting records, or daily notes. Consistent date formatting can also make searching and sorting notes much more effective. Taking a few minutes to automate dates can save time and improve your overall productivity. And that's how to automatically date your notes in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of Obsidian. If there's another Obsidian feature or plugin you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.